North Face makes some great backpacks. Over the years, I've had a lot of them. The quality, the functionality are all great. My new EDC is the North Face Recon. Let's get inside where it's warm and talk about this thing. What's up, guys? It's George. Man, this is the North Face Recon, and I really like this pack. This is my new EDC, and I want to tell you guys about it. This is a 30-liter pack. The overall dimensions of this pack are 19.25 by 13 by 7. It's made out of a couple of different types of nylon, and I'm not going to run through all the different types of nylon because it's a lot of different materials going on in this pack. One thing about this pack is this is the 2015, 16, 17 version, and they got a new 2018 version, which I ordered and I really didn't like. So I actually returned it and was able to find the old version, and I'm going to tell you why as I walk through the pack, why I like this version compared to the newer version. So on the front, it's got this kangaroo style pouch, and a lot of times I'll throw like my microfiber cloth in here or my ID. This front pocket measures 9 by 11, so you can stick a lot of stuff in there, and it's got these buckles on the side where you can loosen or tighten the side of the pocket itself. You could stick maybe your biking helmet in there. It's a lot of space. You can really open this up all the way and stick something in there. So that's pretty cool. I really like that feature on this bag. It makes it really convenient when I get to the door at my job and I just want to pull out my ID real quick. And if, just hold anything. Like if I have to go through security, I'll take out my wallet, my keys and all of that stuff and just stick it in here real quick. And then I don't have to put my stuff in that little security bin that they usually have before you walk through the metal detector. So that is really awesome. It does have like some gear loops right here. They're not necessarily Molly style. It's some webbing that North Face included where you could hook maybe a carabiner and then hook a water bottle, an additional water bottle, or any other kind of gear that you might have. Down here at the bottom, there's that 360 reflectivity that North Face is included in the pack, and that's called the pig snout, where you can attach a bike light. So that's really helpful. Right here is my second favorite thing about this pack is the quick access pocket. It actually measures 8 3/4 by 5. And so all the zippers on North Face backpacks are YKK. Open this up and I got all my stuff in here. I got my chapstick, I got my sunglasses, my Beats Power 3s, some hand cream. Don't sleep on the hand cream. I'm not soft, but I need my hand cream because I get ashy. So I put my hand cream in there so I don't get ashy. I can stick it on and my hands won't be cracking. This pocket is deceptively big, and I really like that. They've kind of built some dimension inside of this pocket. So as you put things in there, it kind of expands and expands. The same thing can be said about this front kangaroo style pocket as well. So you can put a lot of stuff in there and it will hold it, and then you can tighten it back up. With the front pocket, it just has this built-in dimension. I don't know how North Face designs it, but it's perfect. Minimal branding. This is kind of what you've seen in North Face backpacks for years. They put the North Face at the top, and then down here at the bottom, they put Recon. So I don't mind it so much. And I know, yes, a lot of people have North Face backpacks, but there's a reason why. Quality build, Ykk Zippers, Cordura. I mean, all these factors play into why these backpacks last forever. I've seen people walking around with North Face backpacks from the 90s. That's quality. Let's take a look. All of the zips are inverted. So this is one of the reasons why I liked the 2017 version is the admin pocket. In the 2018 version, North Face changed the admin pocket, and I don't think it was a change for the better. I think it's a change for the worse. So when you open it up, you get a lot of space. So this kind of like half clamshells open. Down here, I keep my electronic organizer. You see how big this is? I can stick it right here in this section and it stays. So for right now, let me pull it out. What they've included is 2 slip pockets, 2 mesh pockets in the front. Then behind that, you have a fleece line pocket where I stick my cell phone. I got a knife. I got my little, what is this, the Streamlight Mini. Down here in this slip pocket, I have my Leatherman Juice S2. And you get a zipper pocket here with a key keeper. All my junky keys. And then you get like a tablet pocket back here, which is fleece line. And all I keep back there is my Write in the Rain notebook. If I do carry a tablet, I'll stick it right there. It's no problem. On the side, you get 2 pen holder slots. And I keep, you know, my G2 pen, my Sharpie, a highlighter, and a pencil. Then up here, you get 2 bungees, 2 gear bungees, where you could stick maybe some cords that you want to access to really quickly. So that's pretty cool. I never really use those, but if I wanted to stick maybe a charger that I was going to be using all the time, that would be the place that you could use it. So let me zip this back up. On the side, 2 water bottle pockets. Now I got my totes umbrella in one side. This is like a compact umbrella. And then this water bottle pocket will take a 32-ounce Nalgene. So that's really awesome. There you go. You got some more reflective material right there. That little loop has reflective material on it. And then on this side, I always have my Clean Canteen water bottle, which is stainless steel, 27 ounces. Let me undo that. Let's talk about the back panel, or the back of the strap, the back of the backpack. Get your words together, man. Back of the backpack. So this back panel is awesome. The shoulder straps feel good in the hand. They're long enough. They include the sternum strap right here with the whistle. North Face and Osprey. I don't know which one had the whistle first, but the whistle is there. You got some more reflectivity right here on the shoulder straps. And then these also act as loops for your water bladder, because you can run a water bladder out of this bag. Down here at the bottom, you get a little hip belt, which is pretty cool. You know, I don't necessarily use the hip belt. I think it's more for folks that, you know, you're gonna find yourself running and then you want something to kind of keep it steady on your back, not necessarily to support weight. Now, this back panel is it. So right here, this back panel is raised a lot, you know, definitely off your back. So you get some air flowing here. This is their flex vent system. So you get a big air channel right here. And then all of this is definitely raised and it feels great on your back. It kind of molds to your backs if you wear the backpack for a long time. So I really like that. On the top, you got this grab handle. It's pretty wide and it's well stitched. So definitely feels good when you pick it up and you know, you're grabbing it out of the truck or you're grabbing out your vehicle and you're picking it up from work, off the floor. You feel like it's substantial. You got great purchase on it. Let's go to the main section of this bag where I keep all of my junk, really. So I got my Audio Technica Bluetooth headphones. Awesome. Not necessarily bass tune, but more studio tune. So if I need to edit YouTube videos or listen. I like to hear all the instruments when I'm listening to music. I just don't want to hear 808s the whole time, which I love 808s, don't get me wrong, but I want to hear some other things. I want to hear the vocals, so in the lyrics. So these are great headphones for those that don't necessarily want bass tune. Everything's bass tune now, and I like my bass tunes headphones too. This is like an EDC pouch, cheap pouch that you can pick up on eBay. I think these pouches are like $1 or $2, and they take like a couple of weeks to come, but check them out on eBay. Definitely recommend it. Like $2, and they're really nice. Inside you have like this cavernous space where most of the 30 liters is, and I've put like a couple of days of clothes in here, no problem. Pretty much if I need to go to the grocery store or something, I'm coming home, I can stick some stuff in there. Now you're not gonna be able to really pack this out. It's a 30-liter pack, but for the running around every day, the North Face Recon has it covered. In the back, in the back panel, you get a laptop sleeve, and it's fleece lined. I don't usually carry a laptop, so all I have is my little documents pouch, and this feels pretty good. It is suspended off the bottom, about 2 inches. So they really thought about that. It's not the bottom of the bag is not padded, but the laptop sleeve itself is suspended. So, and it is padded. So, you know, if you drop the bag, it will be off of the bottom. North Face includes like a water bladder connection right here. Even though they don't actually stick a hole out of the bag like a lot of bags do, you can run the water bladder out of the zippers and run your water bladder on the shoulder straps, down the shoulder straps. So pretty cool, even though they don't include the water bladder hole, which might be a smart thing because you're putting your laptop in here, and I necessarily wouldn't want a hole there where I have my laptop. So let me zip this up. Ykk Zippers. This is a great bag. This bag fits my EDC system. So that's kind of why I switched to it, and I've been wearing it for a couple of months. Let me show you a couple of things that they changed in 2018. Okay, so first thing on the front, they changed the way that these gear loops look. Now they run on the side of the bag. Second thing, the admin panel. In the 2018 version, the admin panel everything is moved up and it stops right here. So there is no extra little pocket right here in the front in the 2018 version. So this gives you more space for organization. In the 2018 version, in the laps, there's actually 2 sections instead of just this one main section where you stick your laptop and all your rest of your stuff. In the 2018 bag, there's actually 2 sections, and I reviewed that in another review. But I like this version better because I don't carry a laptop and I want more admin space, and I don't really care about the way that the gear loops look in the front. So I never use them anyway. So I'd rather have that in the 2000, I think it's the 15, 16, and 17 version than the new 18 version. But this is a brand new bag. I just purchased it. I just had to reach back and try to find somebody with the older version. So this is my new EDC, guys. You tell me what you think. I think this bag is going to work perfect for me for a little while. You know, I switch up bags pretty often, especially because I'm reviewing bags. But then I always seem to come back to the North Face Recon. I'm starting a list of my favorite things, and I'm gonna put this on the Coco list. Sometimes guys on YouTube, they'll say, I'm gonna put this on a list. Some guys will say Jessica list. I'm putting this on the Coco list. So these are my favorite things. North Face Recon is one of my favorite bags to wear every day. I think it can work for a lot of folks. Yeah, man, I'm really happy with this pack. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you never miss out on any of my adventures or reviews. See you next time. Peace.